Hey Daniel, what are you up to?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. What's happening?
Preparing for the train tomorrow. Window that works part 2. And yeah, just fix the frame so you see now it looks quite new and handy again.
And what's part 2 about?
Part 2 is the same window, same installation. Just kidding. Now, last week we talked about this aluminium window, and today, actually tomorrow, which might be too early for you, we talk about uPVC, more high performance windows, and we're just talking about the installations. And you see it's a thicker frame, and we have more insulation. So tomorrow I'm gonna talk all about the details and actually why it makes sense to use different windows. And that's what you're gonna see tomorrow at 3 p.m.
All right. Excellent.